unbox my order from the YharnamWorkshop with me. In my order, I got the Quicksilver Bullet, the Blood Gem, and the Hunter. When I open it up, there's a little note inside, as well as what looks like a sticker. Just in case you can't quite read what that little note says, it says, "Thank you for thy purchase, noble hunter. Your support means the world to me and allows me to live on in the waking world." And this is the sticker. The sticker has the hunter on it, as well as a winter lantern from the game, with the word frenzy written above the winter lantern, because that's what they would give you frenzy in the game. As I open up the box, you can see that they're all neatly packaged in their own little like slots in this foam, which I think is very good. I like that packaging idea. Everything seems very safe and secure. I like. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the hunter. Now I should say that all of these items are hand painted. Once they've been printed out, they are all hand painted. You can see the little ombre effect on the bottom of the hunter. That was done by hand, as well as all the shading. You can also see that this hunter is sporting the saw cleaver, classic weapon in the game, as well as the pistol. Wearing the classic hunter's garb that we all know and love. And again, the hand painting on this is really, really good. I hope my camera will do it justice. Next up, out of my little box, is going to be the very thing that you would put inside your hunter's pistol, Quicksilver Bullet. Now this is mounted as a keyring. They have other keyrings available on their website, but this was the one I got, and I absolutely adore the very glossy blood that's running down the side of this bullet. It looks so good. And last but by no means least, we have the Blood Gem. I absolutely adore this. I love the sort of like chromatic blue pigment in the middle that goes out into like the deep red of the Blood Gem. So again, I got this order from the YharnamWorkshop. I found them on Twitter, but they also have an Instagram. I will try and link it in the description or in the comments below, so you can go and drop them a follow, check them out. They are amazing. Their work is really, really good. I highly recommend you go and check them out if you love Bloodborne as much as I do. And remember, a hunter must hunt.